The following video will show you how to install the WaterDrop Plus LT500P water filter on your refrigerator. Take out the old filter by turning it counterclockwise and then gently pull down. Before using, please kindly check if the rubber ring on the filter cartridge is intact and tight to avoid the water leakage. Install the new filter by turning clockwise. Please do not release until fully turned to ensure the internal valve inside the refrigerator is activated. Reset the filter indicator light on your fridge. If you're not sure how to do this, please refer to the manufacturer's instruction manual. Dispense water. Looking for a good flow rate. It's recommended to flush the new filter a few minutes to remove any trapped air or contaminants from the system. The WaterDrop Plus LT500P fridge filter has a 1-year life cycle, or 1,000 gallons, doubled lifetime than WaterDrop filter. Whichever comes first will vary based on water condition.